Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon, is Vietnam's economic and financial center, with a rich history dating back hundreds of years. The Khmers were the first to settle in the area, and the Vietnamese took over in the 17th century. The French captured Saigon, as it was then known, in 1859 and made it the capital of Cochin, China in 1862, resulting in a variety of magnificent architecture and vast boulevards that can be still found today. At the height of the Vietnam War in 1969, the city had 4.5 million residents, all of whom were evacuated when Saigon and the rest of the south were captured by North Vietnam in 1975. In the 30 years since then, the city has recovered with a present population of over 7 million people. The city was renamed Ho Chi Minh City after the spiritual leader of Vietnamese communism, but locals were so hesitant to accept the new name that officials maintain the official name while the city center is still known as Saigon. Ho Chi Minh City is a famous tourist destination today because of its unique history, classic French architecture, modern skyscrapers, and magnificent temples and pagodas. The city also has rooftop pubs with views of Saigon and beyond, as well as great restaurants with a mix of French, Chinese, and of course native Vietnamese food. Things that are cheap or free are perfect for budget-conscious visitors who want to enjoy the most of what this dynamic city has to offer. Despite its violent past, Saigon has evolved as one of Southeast Asia's most sophisticated cities with fancy hotels, retail complexes, and award-winning restaurants. While it is not the cheapest tourist destination in Vietnam when compared to Hoi An or Hanoi, there are numerous activities and sites that may stretch even the most limited budgets. Joining a free walking tour in Ho Chi Minh City is excellent if you want to learn about the city's history and most prominent sites, since you'll be guided by a knowledgeable local. A short online search can bring you to a number of non-profits or universities that provide free walking tours to help local youth to improve their English. Most excursions take place in the morning from 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock and include stops to the Reunification Palace, Bentan Market, and the Saigon Central Post Office. Most Ho Chi Minh temples are free to visit, and you may observe locals paying their respects to various deities, while marketplaces provide traditional handicrafts and Vietnamese cuisine at reasonable costs. Many of the finest attractions in Ho Chi Minh City are centered on the events of the 20th century war and conquest. It may seem depressing in parts, and it is, but there are some genuinely intriguing historical activities for people of all ages. With so many historic points of interest spread across the city, walking through Ho Chi Minh City is like watching the past come to life, from beautiful French buildings to immaculately kept American warplanes. Of course, being Vietnam's largest city and business center, things are changing and contemporary skyscrapers are beginning to punctuate the sky, merging the ancient and new in a distinctly Vietnamese way. As one of Vietnam's most popular tourist attractions, Ho Chi Minh City has a wide range of hotel alternatives. Some of the city's 5-star hotels are in the city center and have been featured in numerous books and movies. If you're traveling on a tight budget, Pham Ngo Lao Street is packed with hostels and backpacker inns. Nightlife in Ho Chi Minh City may represent a variety of things depending on where you are in the city. Rooftop bars, high-roller casinos, and smooth jazz bands are popular types of nightlife entertainment in Saigon. However, a few kilometers west into District 3, the backpacker strip of Pham Ngo Lao, with its street bars, inexpensive food, and good time atmosphere, is unquestionably the places to be after the sun goes down. Shopping in Ho Chi Minh City is a mix of upscale malls with worldwide designer brands and local marketplaces with real handicrafts and street cuisine. When shopping in Binh Tay and Ben Thanh markets, you must bargain, because the initial prices given by merchants are significantly more than the items are truly worth. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.